guys, welcome back to my channel Be Optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. In this video I will let you guys know how to attempt the questions in which we have to match the statement with the name of person. In my previous video I have explained how to attempt MCQs. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. So guys, today we'll solve the reading with the title Dawn of the Robots. Previously we have also solved the list of headings from the same reading, and today we will attempt to match the statement question from the same reading. So as usual, let's move towards our questions first of all. Firstly, we will read the instruction. Look the following statements, question 20 to 23. In the list of the people below, match each statement with the correct person A, B or C. Write the correct letter in the boxes 20 to 23 in your answer sheet. Right? So firstly, we will read the name of the person. First one is Bill Gates, second Nilo Christiani, third one is Ron Kresley. Right? In this kind of question, firstly look for the name of the persons, locate them in your paragraph, and then start attempting those question whose name comes least. Right? What you guys have to do, firstly we will locate the names of all these persons. Right? So let's see the names in the paragraph. As you guys can see, in the first page we have our first name Bill Gates. We will locate it everywhere where we see it. Okay, Bill Gates. Next, move toward page number 2. You can say Gates again here. Gates. Then Nilo Christiani, that is our second person, option B. Third one is Ron Kresley. Next we can again say the name Kresley, right? So as you can see, we located the name of all persons. So we will start finding answer with that person's name whose name come least. As we can see, the name of Ron Kresley is only we saw the name of Nilo Christiani only once. So we will firstly try to match the information regarding this person, and after that we will left with the two names only. Right? So firstly, now we will read the questions. Our first question, 20th question, an important concern for scientists is to ensure that robots don't seem frightening. Important concern means a topic of worry, like tension. Like ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਵਰੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਇੰਟਿਸਟ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕਿ is to ensure it means to make sure that robots don't seem frightening, means like the thing which scare us, means ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਕੰਸਰਨ ਆ ਸਾਇੰਟਿਸਟ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਯਕੀਨੀ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਆ ਡਰਾਵਨੇ ਨਾ ਲੱਗਣ. ਰਾਈਟ? ਇਨ 21st ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਸਟੋਪ ਟਰਾਈਂਗ ਟੂ ਇਨੇਬਲ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਟੂ ਪਰਸੀਵ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਐਜ਼ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਡੂ. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਏਬਲ ਬਣਾ ਸਕੀਏ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਪਰਟੀਕੂਲਰ ਥਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਪਰਸੀਵ ਕਰਨ, ਉੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਨ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਰਾਈਟ? ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਟੇਕ ਕੰਸੀਡਰੇਬਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਫॉर ਮੋਡਰਨ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਟੂ ਮੈਚ ਦਾ ਵਨਸ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟਡ ਇਨ ਫਿਲਮਸ ਐਂਡ ਬੁੱਕਸ. ਕਿ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਮਾਂ ਕੰਸੀਡਰੇਬਲ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਾ, ਕਾਫੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਮਾਡਰਨ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਚ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਲਮਸ ਅਤੇ ਬੁੱਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੀਨਸ ਜਸਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੈਂਟੇਸੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ, ਮੀਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਮੈਜੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ ਮਾਡਰਨ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਚ ਹੋਣ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਫੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗ ਜੂ. ਐਂਡ ਆਰ 23rd question, that is our last question, we need to enable robots to move freely before we think about trying to communicate with them. ਇੱਕ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਏਬਲ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਫਰੀਲੀ ਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ, ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਣ। ਕਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸੋਚੀਏ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਟ ਕਰਨ, ਮੀਨਸ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਏਬਲ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਪਊਗਾ, ਫਰੀ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ, ਰਾਈਟ। So now we have read all the question, and firstly we will try to locate the information regarding the option B that occurs once only. So let's read the information that was mentioned by this person. As you guys can see, we will start reading from here, right? However, that challenge has proved to be singularly exacting and complex, so the scientists have turned to simpler alternatives. Full stop, colons, comma. We have become far more pragmatic in our work, says Nilo Christiani, professor of artificial intelligence at University of Bristol in England. This is the information regarding Nilo Christiani, professor of intelligence at University of Bristol in England and associate editor of the Journal of the Artificial Intelligence Research. Full stop, again quote start. We are no longer trying to recreate human functions, means this information is mentioned by this person. We are no longer trying to, means ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਟਰਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗਸ ਵਰਗੇ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰੀਏ। ਇੰਸਟੈਡ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਲੁਕਿੰਗ ਫॉर ਸਿੰਪਲਰ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨਸ ਵਿਦ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਿਕ ਸੈਂਸਰ, right? So till now the information given by this person has been entered, so let's try to match it with our questions. As we can see, this answer seems matching with the information in the paragraph. We have stopped trying, and in the paragraph it is mentioned that we are no longer trying. Both are similar to recreate human function, and here it is written that we have stopped trying to enable robots to perceive object as humans do. So our answer would be B. So now we will move towards the person whose name come on the second list, right? As we can see, the name of Kresley comes once, twice and thrice. 3 times we can see the name of Nilo Christiani, right? So and the name of Gates comes 4 times. So now we will read about the Nilo Christiani, right? Technology like this is now changing the face of robotics, says philosopher Ron Kresley, director of the Center for the Research in Cognitive Science at University of Sussex in England. And the information regarding that person is again mentioned, as you can see. Last year, a new Hong Kong restaurant robot kitchen opened with a couple of sensor humanoid machines directing customers to their seat as each. And now we will read from the quotes, because the information that is given in the quotes, that means it is said by that person. As in the upper paragraph, we have also seen that the words those were spoken by Nilo Christiani were given in the single quotes. So we will start reading from here. Robots first learn basic competence, means firstly robots should have basic information they should be able to do some basic functions. Hyphen, how to move around the house without bumping into things, right? ਮੀਨਸ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਘੁੰਮਣਾ ਵਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਬੰਪਿੰਗ ਮੀਨਸ ਕੋਲਾਈਡ ਨਾ ਹੋ ਪਾਉਣ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟਕਰਾਉਣ ਨਾ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਬੰਪਿੰਗ ਇਨਟੂ ਥਿੰਗਸ। ਦੈਨ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਥਿੰਕ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਟੀਚਿੰਗ them ਹਾਊ ਟੂ ਇੰਟਰੈਕਟ ਵਿਦ ਹਿਊਮਨਸ, ਮੀਨਸ ਫਿਰ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਿਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇੰਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਗੈਟ ਆਰ ਅਨਦਰ ਆਂਸਰ. As you can see that we need to enable robots to move freely before we think about trying to communicate with them. So our answer would be C over here, right? So as it is mentioned here, you may use any letter more than once, and here we have 3 names in 4 options. It means 1 option come twice. So and we are still left with a few information related to this person. So we will complete that information before moving towards the last person, right? So let's have a look. Machines such as these, researchers into field of socialized robotics, how to make robots act in the way that doesn't scare or offend the individual. Scare means to make afraid, डराना, right? How to make robots act in a way that doesn't scare or offend individuals. We need to study how robots should approach people, how they should appear. This is going to be a key area for future research at CRISLE. Here we have got our another answer, that is our first question. An important concern for scientists is to ensure the robots don't seem frightening. Here it is mentioned frightening, and in our answer it is mentioned scare. They don't scare or offend individuals. Sorry, our answer would be C. And instead of researcher, here it is mentioned that instead of scientist, here it is mentioned that researchers, machines such as these take researchers into the field of socialized robotics, right? So we got our answer. We matched the information properly over here. So now we are left with only one question, that is our 22nd question. It will take considerable time for the modern robots to match the ones we have created in films and books. So, and we are left with the information regarding Bill Gates only. So now we will read the information given by this person. And so let's move towards our paragraph. As we can see, what is the potential for robots in computers in near future? Potential means possibility. The fact is we still have a way to go before real robots catch up with their science fiction counterparts. The fact is we still have a way to go before. Still have a way means हजे भी काफ़ी टाइम लगूगा टू गो बिफोर रियल रोबोट्स. रियल ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਹੈ मॉडर्न रोबोट्स मीनस ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰਿਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੈਚ ਅਪ ਵਿਦ देयर ਸਾਇੰਸ ਫਿਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਪਾਰਟਸ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਸੋ ਵੀ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟਲੀ ਮੈਚਡ ਆਰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਿਦ ਦ 22nd question, and that means our answer of we got the answer of 22nd question as well. So now there is no need to read the information, rest of information that is given by Bill Gates. So our answers are like in this way: first C, second B, third A, fourth C. So in this way you guys can also attempt these kind of questions when you have to match the name of person with the information. Don't ever panic. Firstly locate the names and then start from that name, which name comes least. In this way you guys can easily attempt these kind of questions, right? Match the answers as well. You guys can see first 20th C, 21st B, 22nd A, 23rd C. It means we got our all answers correct. So practice these kind of questions as well, and if you face any kind of difficulty then you can ask me in the comment box. And if today's video was useful for you, please give me the thumbs up. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.